In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in a constant contact email campaign. Changing the background color is a quick way to match your brand, draw attention to key sections, and improve readability. Let's walk through it from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect and how to get a clean, professional result. First, open your constant contact email campaign. From your campaigns list, select the email you want to work on so you're looking at the version you plan to update. If you have multiple drafts, double check the name or date to make sure you're opening the right one. Next, click Edit to open the email builder. This takes you into the drag and drop editor, where you can make visual changes. You'll see your email layout in the main area and typically a settings panel or toolbar on the side. Constant Contact autosaves frequently, but it's still a good habit to save as you go so you can revert if needed. Now select the section or layout area you want to change. Background color can apply to the entire email, a specific layout row, or an individual block, depending on the template. Click directly on the section you want to modify. You should see it outlined or highlighted, confirming you're targeting the right area. If you're aiming for a full email background, look for a global or layout level option. If you just want to emphasize a particular content block, click that block instead. With the correct area selected, open the design or background color settings. These controls are usually labeled design, background, or colors in the side panel. If you don't see a background option, switch between the block level and layout level tabs until it appears. This distinction matters because changing a global background won't affect a block that has its own color set, and vice versa. Choose the new background color. You can pick from preset swatches or enter a hex code if you have specific brand colors. Aim for strong contrast between the background and your text to keep it readable. Dark text on a light background or light text on a dark background typically works best. Keep your palette consistent with your logo and buttons so the design feels cohesive. Finally, save and preview the email. Use the preview option to see how your changes look on both desktop and mobile. Scroll the entire message to verify that text, images, and buttons remain legible and that spacing looks balanced. If something feels off, return to the editor, fine-tune the color, and preview again. When it looks right, your draft is ready for the next step in your workflow.